What should you do now? A. I hold the steering wheel straight and firmly. What should you do now? A. I hold the steering wheel straight and firmly. B. I steer to the left. C. I perform an emergency braking maneuver. The correct answers are A and C. You should hold the steering wheel straight and firmly to keep the vehicle under control. You should also perform an emergency braking maneuver because there is danger ahead on the road. Steering to the left could lead you into oncoming traffic. For what should you prepare yourself in this situation? A. As it begins moving, the bus will swing out onto my side of the road. B. People will cross the road at the rear of the bus. C. The quad suddenly starts to move. The correct answers are A and B. You should prepare for the bus to swing out onto your side of the road when it starts moving. You should also expect people to cross the road from behind the bus, where they may be difficult to see. Why are you required to stop now? A. Because the traffic situation is confusing. B. Because of the yellow truck. C. Because of the cyclist. The correct answers are A and C. You must stop because the traffic situation is confusing and visibility is limited. You must also watch out for the cyclist crossing ahead. Continue only when the situation is clear and safe. You want to continue driving straight ahead. What is the correct course of action in this situation? A. I'm the first to cross over the junction. B. I allow the red vehicle to turn. C. I allow the electric scooter to cross the road. The correct answers are B and C. You should allow the red vehicle to turn first because it is already entering the junction. You must also allow the electric scooter to cross the road safely before continuing straight ahead. What must you watch out for when turning right here? A. For the motorbike. B. For the cyclist. C. For oncoming traffic. The correct answer is B. You must watch out for the cyclist when turning right. The cyclist may continue straight ahead on the cycle path, so you must give enough space and turn carefully.